Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I wanted to talk about a visualization type that you may or may not have seen in ThoughtSpot, and that is the candlestick chart. Now, for people that follow the stock market, this chart may look familiar, but for those that don't, what a candlestick chart does is it tracks 4 specific metrics over the course of a continuous dimension. Most often it's usually like date or time. So in the stock market, what it does is it looks at the opening price for a stock, the high price for a stock for the day, the low price, as well as the closing price. So from here, you can kind of see how you can look at it and look at the volatility and all of that. But taking it out of the stock market world, let's kind of look at other use cases where you can use a candlestick chart. And because ThoughtSpot has the ability to use the time slicer to get down to even like the hourly level, this comes really in handy. So some examples that I like to give are for supply chain inventory. If you want to track inventory at the beginning of the month, where was it at its highest, where was it its lowest, where was it, did it end at the month? You can then make better decisions based off of that and maybe look at what is influencing that change in inventory. Then you also have like utility examples where if you're using maybe like stored procedures to get averages for the day before or the day or like at the end of the day, then you can track it by literally like the hour or the minute. You can get down as detailed as possible. And then of course you have sales. If you're going to look at sales for the course of maybe an entire year or over the course of even longer, then what you're able to do is you're able to pinpoint where we had our highs, where we had our lows, maybe even do min maxes for specific months. So there's a lot of different flexibility that you can use for the candlestick chart. It's not just used for the stock market. So we're seeing a lot of people that are using it, finding some value in that. So if you guys want to learn more about ThoughtSpot or the candlestick chart, feel free to reach out to us in the comments or at info@smesgroup.com. Bye guys.